Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For today's do-it-yourself video, I'm going to show you how I make my own aloe vera gel. As you all know, this plant is believed to have originated in Northern Africa, Madagascar, and the Arabian Peninsula. Well, aloe vera increases the water which is contained in your skin and leaves it hydrated without making it greasy. So this plant stores water in its leaves, stems, and roots, which give it a fleshy appearance. As you can see, it has a jelly in the middle part. So from here, I just scrape off the leaf of the aloe vera, which leaves this jelly part. You can use a knife to scrape it off, but just be careful because it's kind of slippery and it's hard to take all the green part. And for the container, I'm just using my old moisturizer container, so I think it's a good thing to reuse it. To use an essential oil since I don't like the smell of a plant. So I'm adding my favorite essential oil, which is the peppermint, which is also good for acne. Just whisk it out, everything. And as you all know, aloe vera is also great for sunburns, which I have now in my under eyes, and also good for anti-inflammation. It heals wounds, it lightens scars and blemishes. It also treats acne. It also treats stretch marks and dry skin. Aloe vera contains several nutrients like glycerin. As you all know, glycerin doesn't clog pores, which is amazing. And it also has sodium palmate, sodium carbonate, and so on. Alright guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video.